Hi Scorpio, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for you. It is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with every Scorpio out there. If it resonates with you, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. What is going on with Scorpio? What is going on with Scorpio? What is going on with Scorpios? What is going on with Scorpios? Okay, so there's a person in your life who you consider as your soulmate. I don't know whether you guys are together or not, but you definitely consider them as your soulmate. Okay, you believe that they are the ones, like you both are meant to be together. Okay, and I think you or either the person that you're dealing with, they have offered the other person something, but the other person hasn't made a decision yet. Okay, they're still thinking, they are waiting to make the decision, they're taking their time. It's a slow process. Okay, the things will work out between you two, but you have to have faith. Okay, and you have to just go with the flow. It is more like you have to go with the flow. I don't see an immediate energy over here, but I'm gonna cross check that. But things will happen initially. Okay, someone new is in your life, a lover, and I don't believe that this is the past person. Okay, can you please clarify what is going on with Scorpios? Card fell. The Sun, the Hermit, Page of Pentacles, Page of Wands. You definitely want a new beginning with this person. Okay, there's a person in your life, there's a new person in your life with whom you want a new beginning. You want a happy home. You might want to get married to this person, because here we have the Queen of Pentacles and the Sun. So you might want to get married to this person. Okay, or maybe the person sees you as their soulmate and they want a new beginning with you and they want to marry you. It can be either way around, because energies can always be vice versa or interchangeable. Please keep that in mind. Someone is analyzing things. Okay, before making a move, before making a love offer, someone is analyzing things. See, I told you there won't be an immediate love offer. It will take time. Things will move, but it will take time, and it is important sometimes to develop a long-term relationship. It is important to take it slow in the beginning. It is important to get to know each other. Okay, so someone is analyzing something, but there's definitely good news coming your way with the Page of Wands and the Page of Pentacles. Just think properly. Okay, just think properly, analyze the whole situation, and then make a decision. Okay, then either of you will make a decision. I don't know who will come to whom, but someone is definitely coming with an offer. But I don't believe that they are coming immediately. They are going to take their time. They are going to analyze things, because they want a long-term stability. They don't want something casual. Okay, if they wanted casual, they would have just approached you right away. But now they want something long term, they want something stable, so they are taking things slow. Okay, what is going on with Scorpio? What is going on with Scorpio? Please clarify. That's beautiful energy. Wow. Okay, so someone is coming. A lot of movement from someone's part. A lot of movement. Okay, we have the Knight of Swords, we have the Chariot, we have the Six of Swords and the King of Wands. Okay, So someone wants a stable long-term relationship, as I told you, that someone consider the other person as their soulmate. This could be you, or this could be your person. This could be the person that you're dealing with. Right now they are analyzing things. Okay, right now they are analyzing things. Before making an offer, they are analyzing things. Once this is done, they're very quickly coming towards you, but you have to give them time. Okay, you have to give them time. The person has to give the other person time. Once they are done with their deep analyzing, with their thinking, with their deep thinking, they will definitely come. Okay, they'll definitely come with an offer. There is going to be movement, but not immediately, as I told you. Someone is going to offer love, but let them think properly first. Okay, they're definitely moving towards you. They want a happy home with you, so they're definitely moving towards you. Or maybe they have to leave something behind. Okay, maybe they have to leave a past relationship behind for this to start. Maybe they have to leave their past patterns behind to have this fresh start with you. Okay, because the person who considers you as their soulmate, they won't try to mess it up. They want everything to be perfect. That's why they're taking time. So someone is definitely coming towards you. You may not be aware about who this person is right now, because I don't believe that they're going to communicate you immediately, but soon you'll get to know. Okay, but first they have to complete their past patterns. Okay, they have to get rid of their past patterns. They have to get rid of their past, and the moment they'll move away from their past, there will be moment they'll quickly come towards you, and you'll both have a stable long-term relationship. Okay, happy relationship. So some secret admirer is coming towards Scorpio. Wow, that's nice. I believe that you're not aware of this person. Okay, you're not aware of this person, and if it is your energy, then the person that you're thinking of as your soulmate, they're not aware about your feelings. Okay, what is the message for Scorpios from the universe? What is the message for Scorpios from the universe? What is the message for Scorpios from the universe? Okay, Scorpio, so I believe that the new person who is going to approach you very soon, before they do that, you have to open up your heart. Okay, you have to give up on your past. You have to cut certain patterns of your own. Or this could be a person's energy. This could be a person's energy. I told you that energies can be vice versa. So let's just the past go. Let the past go, and things will work. Okay, please don't be afraid to cut anyone off if they're not serving you. If they're not serving your purpose, then you shouldn't be afraid to cut anyone off. What is the challenge for Scorpios? What is the challenge for Scorpios? What is the challenge for Scorpios? Oh, I had 2 cards. Okay, I picked 2 cards. I usually pick 1, but just 2 came out. Okay, we have the Devil and the Empress. 2 very contradicting cards. Stop obsessing over it. Okay, please don't obsess over the idea of true love. Let things happen when they're supposed to happen. Okay, you have to give it time. You cannot force something. I know you want a happy, healthy and stable relationship, and Scorpios definitely want that very soon, but please don't obsess over this idea. Okay, you're sufficient on your own. Even if you don't have a partner right now, it is fine. You're sufficient. Please don't feel sad. Okay, don't feel sad that you're single, because you are the Empress. Okay, you have everything. You have a nurturing nature. You are caring, you're loving, you're everything. So please don't obsess over the idea of a relationship right now. And the moment you let this obsession go, and by obsession I mean that you're obsessing over having a perfect relationship, let things happen, okay? Let things happen how they're supposed to happen. You cannot force something in your life. When the time is right, it will happen. Okay, that is all for today, Scorpio. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.